everyone, Heather Wilson here, lead esthetician for InstaNatural Skincare. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can brighten, tone, and tighten your skin. It's an ingredient that should be incorporated into every routine, and our clients have always raved about its incredible anti-aging results. I personally love using vitamin C because my skin appears more refined and smooth, creating a perfect canvas for my makeup. Vitamin C also helps to make your skin look younger and more radiant. It fights wrinkles, boosts collagen production, as well as prevents and reduces discoloration. Here are our top 3 products with vitamin C: Vitamin C Cleanser, Vitamin C Serum, and Vitamin C Moisturizer. These products help to nourish your skin for a radiant and youthful complexion. Our Vitamin C Cleanser refines the tone and texture of your skin, while our Vitamin C Serum brightens and prevents common signs of aging such as lines, wrinkles, and discoloration. Last but not least, our Vitamin C Moisturizer is formulated to defend the skin, helping you achieve a healthy complexion. I hope you will experience and love the skin nourishing benefits of the Vitamin C collection by InstaNatural.